Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Welcome to the beautiful world of aquascaping. So there is a small cut in my aquarium filters wire. And this is very dangerous and my water is shorted totally. So there is a solution. So let's start the video. So guys, there is a small hole. This is a small cut in the wire and it's very dangerous. So I gonna do one thing and you must be do this. Fill the area with arrowhead glue and allow it at least 12 hours for drying. And guys, after 12 hours you can see the cut is filled by the glue arrowhead, and now you can use it, no problem. Hey friends, next video coming soon, and keep thinking, keep making, and subscribe my channel and stay safe.